Python developers create the backbone of the digital landscape. They connect front-end user interfaces and back-end server logic to create useful websites and applications. Software development using Python is helpful also for dealing with artificial intelligence and big data projects. Python's extensive libraries and frameworks for data manipulation and machine learning are helpful for many areas. Our Python developer program is designed for front-end developers who are looking to become full-stack Python developers. It's also useful for full-stack web developers that want to boost their skills with Python. The program gives you the skills and tools to become a job-ready full-stack Python developer in just 5 months. During the program, you'll gain proficiency in Python fundamentals, advanced programming concepts, cloud technologies, and web development with Django and Flask. Our proprietary JET design methodology combines frontal lectures, cutting-edge content, hands-on practice, and soft skills development to ensure that you get an engaging and effective tech training. Our program features bring-it-together projects where you'll implement the knowledge and skills you've learned in a real-life, hands-on coding project. At Wawiwa, we're committed to provide training that results in employability. That's why our Python developer program is always up to date with the latest industry trends and practices. We'll make every effort to get you a great job as a full-stack Python developer right after graduation. So if you want to boost your coding career, join our Python developer program.